Enjoy fresh and soothing air with AromaRoom ultrasonic humidifier. AromaRoom humidifier is dedicated to creating a better life for everyone. This 2-in-1 cool mist humidifier and essential oil diffuser helps improve indoor humidity and fills any space you put it in with refreshing air and a relaxing fragrance day and night. With this thoughtfully designed built-in handle, you can easily lift up large water tank for easy move for water refilling. This large volume 5.5 liter diffuser can support 50 hours of continuous use. With a visible water gauge and cleaning brush for ease of cleanliness, breathing in refreshing sweet air has never been easier. It has a sleek LED display touch and control, making using it convenient and quick. AromaRoom humidifier is equipped with sleep mode and timer to ensure whisper quiet operation, bringing you sweet dreams without disturbance. This humidifier has a waterless shutoff and dry burn protection to provide ultimate safety. It has a dual 360-degree rotatable nozzles for multi-directional mists. AromaRoom humidifier is compatible with essential oils. AromaRoom. Breathe freely, live happily.